This build right here cost me $482, and it has an RTX 5060, a Ryzen 5, 1TB of SSD storage, and 32GB of RAM. And I was able to make $300 in profit on this build. I did it all using some Micro Center deals, some used parts, as well as some new ones. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into the parts, the prices, the benchmarks, as well as how I was able to sell it. So let's do it. Yo, what's going on, y'all? We're back. We have another budget build for you guys today. Let's not waste any time. Let's get into the parts, and our parts are as follows. So first of all, obviously another RTX 5060. These are just my go-to right now. I'm not gonna lie. Like if I grabbed all the boxes that I have for these RTX 5060s, I might be able to make a whole entire skyscraper, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. So we have another RTX 5060 today. It's an Asus Prime 3-fan, very nice model, and we paid $239 for it. And then for our CPU, motherboard, RAM, and storage, they're all inside of this box. Now, obviously, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the motherboard because that's gonna house everything. We have an Asus Prime B550A Wi-Fi. We paid $62 or $63 before tax. All of the prices and everything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the screen. But yeah, so $62 for that. Then our RAM, 32GB, 3200. It's just plain black, you know, no heat spreader, anything like that, but 32GB of RAM. Should perform well in this build. Can't really complain for the price I paid, which was basically free. The way that I obtained it for so cheap, I think it was like $5 and some change. It was because I traded this kit of RAM for basically a case that I got, and that case didn't cost me anything. And then I also gave him a RGB controller, so came out on top there, I would say. And then for our CPU of choice, we have a Ryzen 5 5500, paid about $50 for that after tax from Micro Center open box, so pretty nice deal there. And then for our SSD, another Micro Center deal. It wasn't really a deal this time. I believe I paid like $55 for this. It's a 1TB Inland TN20 or TN320, sorry. And then for our cooler, we have an AMD box cooler, but it is the Wraith Prism, so obviously the nice one with the RGB. And looks like this one was not used, which is nice. So we still have the cables for the RGB. Unfortunately, it is 12 volt, but I mean, for the price, free, $0. Can't complain with free, man, I'm not gonna lie. And then for our power supply, we have a 500 watt bronze high power unit. Paid, I wanna say like 20, it was 21 after shipping. So I bought these in bulk from a seller. 500 watts is gonna be plenty for this build. The 5060 only requires 450. And obviously the 5060 is not a super power hungry chip, so not gonna be pushing it by any means. And then lastly, for our case, we have this Red Dragon GC218M, I believe it's called. I ended up paying $53 for this on Prime Day. And overall, my first impressions are pretty decent. I think it's a decent case for the money. But obviously you'll get my thoughts a little bit more as we dive deeper into the build. So yeah, with that all the way, the prices, the parts, let's go ahead and actually get into assembling this build. All right, so with the build said and done, obviously now it's time to go ahead and list it. So I typically list in 3 places. Number 1, Java, number 2, Facebook Marketplace, and then number 3, TMLPCs.com. So obviously I have my own website. I do a little bit local, online, kind of everything in between. So those are my primary 3 places that I go ahead and list. And I was able to sell this build within 14 days. So not too bad of a turnaround time, especially for the amount of profit that we made. So our total cost came out to $482.42, like you guys saw. And I was able to sell it for $7.99 plus $50 shipping on Java.gg. Our total payout came to $782.59. So really not bad at all. Now that $482 doesn't include the shipping label, I have to still go ahead and make that. But once I do, I'll go ahead and give you guys the updated figure right here. I've already made another video on how I actually go about listing, how I take pictures, things like that. So if you want, it'll be linked in the cards. But obviously, to get paid, you have to go ahead and actually ship this out. So let's go ahead, get it packed up, get it shipped out, so that way we can collect our pay. Let's do it. All right, boom, there we go. Instapack in. Let me go ahead, print off the little setup guide, and then throw it in here as well. All right, PC's done, packed up. If you want to read, pause now. We also went ahead and put in the power cable as well as the Wi-Fi antennas for, our Wi-Fi board. So pretty much good to go on that front. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, get this PC packed up, get it taped up, and get it shipped off so that way we can get paid. All right, y'all, PC's done. We're gonna go ahead, get it shipped off, but I did have a couple of closing thoughts. So, if you care about the channel, continue to watch. If you don't, appreciate you for watching, subscribe, like, comment, all that, and I'll see you. But if you wanna stick around, stick around. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the upload schedule is gonna change a little bit because I just got a job, so I'm employed now. I'm still gonna be obviously posting. I'm still gonna try and post like once a week, and I'm still gonna be posting shorts and stuff like that. But the content is the long form content might suffer just a smidge, at least like while I'm transitioning into it. Now, I do have a couple of videos planned for the next couple of weeks. I do want to do one on my website, how that's been doing, because I've been getting a lot of questions. If you guys are in the Discord, and you've probably been some of the people that are asking me. So I've got a ton of questions there. We'll be making a video on that soon. Another thing is I'm going to be making a video on the $100 PC that I did a couple weeks back. That PC, it did sell, so I am going to be going ahead and sticking with that, that idea of making it into like a little series. So we're gonna be flipping up from that $100 PC into a 9070 XT PC. I just have to source some new parts, and that should be coming out relatively soon. And I also have school coming back into play here in a couple weeks. So like I said, schedule's not gonna change too much, but I just wanted you guys to know because I felt like it was kind of pertinent information. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this style of video. Still obviously toying around with things, trying to improve, trying to keep getting better, so that way we can keep growing. So yeah, let me know any comments that you have, any criticism, anything like that. They're all welcome. And yeah, like I said, appreciate everybody for watching. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have questions, or join the Discord. We drop, PC part deals, stuff like that. If you have any questions, you can ask me in there. And yeah, appreciate you guys for all watching, and I will see ya. Hey, this the outro. They ain't even gonna know about this. They ain't even gonna know about this. Hey, subscribe though, for real.